to have looked at no less than 15 houses today. The first one was interesting, definitely had character, but not exactly what we were looking for. I do love the French doors in the office and all the windows, but I wasn't super crazy about the counters in the kitchen. I know it sounds like a minor thing, but if it's something I'm going to look at every day, I want to love it. I did really like the little shelves they had in the bedrooms, but this closet situation is a little weird and I'm not hanging anything up there. Reed was not super crazy about the formal dining room and neither was I. And then if you look at this entrance, it's just really designed kind of awkward. The next house was honestly just kind of boring. Like the fireplace had no character, the kitchen was beautiful, but it was also kind of plain. The master bedroom is kind of small, but the bathroom was gorgeous. I loved the natural lighting and then the black accents. Of course, we had to check out every backyard. The closet wasn't the biggest, but also not the smallest we saw. And then I just wasn't crazy about the marble in the entire bathroom. I also love the entryway, but the fireplace is catty corner, which made the living room kind of small. And then again, I just am not crazy about granite countertops. I think because I'm coming from a house with granite countertops, I just don't love them. And then the master bedroom was huge, which is a plus. But again, I just can't do the granite in every single room. House, the kitchen was a little bit better, but almost too white, I think. And then it also didn't have a fireplace, which I feel like adds so much character to a house. It just really didn't feel like home. And then the bathrooms were also a little bit plain. I know at this point I probably sound really picky, but if you see the last house that we looked at, you will understand why these look so plain. Another solid, bright and airy house, but it has no fireplace, which most of the houses that we've looked at this point has a fireplace, so I know the right house is available. And again, just lacking a little bit of character in the kitchen. Maybe if we had a little bit of hardware. The next house has a beautiful entryway. Fireplace, again, is a little bit boring, but it's doable. The kitchen is looking better, but I'm not crazy about the gray. Definitely liking these counters a lot more. I don't know what this would be called, but the little speckles are absolutely adorable. Now, this next house really does have potential. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about the kitchen, so you guys will have to let me know, but I am absolutely obsessed with the light fixtures. I actually don't hate the granite in this house for some reason. Maybe it's the wood counters. No idea. Maybe it's the fact that they did really well with the light fixtures as an accent. I don't know, but I don't hate it. The only thing we didn't love is how dark the carpet was. I think the bathroom is kind of the deal breaker for me. I wasn't crazy about the tones in this bathroom. So this last house, we actually all three fell in love with. Maddox ran around the house literally screaming, I love it. The lighting's beautiful, the kitchen's beautiful, the counters are cute, and I have a little coffee bar, but look at this pantry. I was absolutely shook, and it's a good thing we got a Costco membership for Christmas because I swear we could fit the whole store in there. I tested the lighting and can definitely see some future get ready with me videos in this bathroom. Let me know which house is your fave, and I can't wait to get settled into our future home.